remember. Slipping away. You know, like when you try and think of a dream and it just sort of goes.
Just got lucky, this thing. It's one of the tricksters' brigade. Changes a life in tiny little ways. Most times the universe just compensates around it, but with you, great big parallel world.
Hold on, you said parallel worlds are sealed off?
No, they are. But you had one created around you. Funny thing is, it seems to be happening a lot. To you?
How do you mean?
Well, the library and then this.
Just goes with the job, I suppose.
Sometimes I think there's way too much coincidence around you, Donna. I met you once, and I met your grandfather, and I met you again. In the whole wide universe, I met you for a second time. It's like something's binding us together.
Don't be so daft. I'm nothing special.
Yes, you are. You're brilliant.
You thought you're brilliant? She said that.
You did.
That woman? I can't remember.
Well, she never existed now.
No, but she said the stars. She said the stars are going out.
Yeah, but that world's gone.
No, but she said it was all worlds. Every world. She said the darkness is coming, even here.
Who was she?
I don't know.
What did she look like?
She was blonde.
What was her name?
I don't know.
Donna, what was her name?
But she told me to warn you. She said 2 words.
What 2 words? What were they? What did she say?
Bad wolf. What does it mean? What is it? What's Bad Wolf?
It's the end of the universe.